so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello folks, welcome to my channel Geeky Stuffs. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the benefits of using GB Instagram as well as Instagram Plus Plus. Android, you can use GB Instagram. In iPhone, right? I mean in any iOS related, like you can use Instagram Plus Plus. Come, let's get into it. Okay. Let me open my application. Click on normal Instagram only. Yeah, this one, right? Pinch and zoom. That's available over here. This is the extra option, GB option. See, download, preview, every stuff like that. You can download directly. That will be saved in your gallery. That means locally to your phone. Yeah, see. Okay. Similarly, right? Yeah. Next, right? You can also download in other way. Like you can download a photo link. I mean image link, not the post link. You can download the photo link itself and paste it in Google Chrome and then download it. It's really a good idea, right? Yeah. Just I'm showing it there. Yeah. Just paste, then enter. Perfect. Download. There are two methods. Okay. Yeah. Here, right? There won't be any like what is it? Compression or something, right? You can have a like complete same image with high resolution. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. This is story. Story also you can download. Like see, meme channel will be coming, right? Your friend may not be following that. Yeah, you want to share it to him, and that account is private. You just download and just send it to him. It's very simple, no? Instead of telling him to follow and that this everything. This is a cool idea, right? Yeah. See, I just downloaded the status. Perfect, right? That's a video status, not an image. It's cool, right? Yeah. This is one good application. This is one good use actually. Yeah. Then okay, you can go to any profile and just pinch it, the image right over there, the display pic. Just pinch and zoom it. Just tap for 2 seconds. That's it. Perfect. You can do it. Yeah. Then yeah, this is also good one. Comment, right? You can copy it from here only. Also, suppose if someone is typing in other language which you don't understand, you can translate it here using this. Yeah, since I'm an Indian, I prefer Hindi. But also, I do understand Spanish, so sometimes I do Spanish also. Yeah, that's a cool idea, right? Yeah. Now let me come to iOS. Okay, perfect. Yes. Let me open my iOS application. First time, right? It won't open like that only. You need to trust the enterprise developer. How that can be done? This is just a one-time process. Okay, you don't need to do every time. Yeah. Now go to settings. Settings general. Yeah, just go to general, man. Come on. Yeah. In general, right? Yeah, come down and there's some device management. Just go to that and click on that China Telecom something. Okay. Okay, let me trust that. This is just a one-time process. Yeah. Just click trust. That's perfect. If you want to delete application, right? Just come here and just delete it. Okay. This will remove the trust also of the developer. Perfect. Open the application. Now that will be opening. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. To open this application. This is also same as that version of Instagram only. But these are more features than the GB Instagram. Okay. So iOS people should be happy for this. Okay. You can download based on the resolution also. One thing. Yeah. You can share it from here only. This is a new feature. Okay. Which is applicable only for iPhone. Okay. Suppose if you find in the status, right, you wish to take a screenshot and then edit it and then you used to post it. This is very simple, no? Same as that, only you can post it. That's perfect. Yeah. That will give you info, okay? Infographic. Even this is cool, right? See, so much of stats after post. Yeah. You can download the status as well as status like that's what it might be image as well as the video. Both you can record it. Yeah. That's a nice one, right? Like read receipts in WhatsApp. Here also you can do it as mark as seen or unseen. That's cool, right? Even if you see the status of anyone, like they might not be reminded. Okay, they might not acknowledge that you are seeing something like that's cool, no? Yeah. This is pinch and zoom. That's normal. It's available in basic Instagram only. Yeah. So tap and go to some profile, and if you just pick the display before that, like tap for 2 seconds, it will just go. This is the best one. go to IG plus settings. Okay, see, this is for the timeline, that feed. Okay, feed minimum data, everything. And also you can set like in row how many pictures you want, something. Usual default will be 1. You can set it to 3, like it will be very small. No? Yeah, this one. I told you, no, this story thing. Yeah. Okay, now like a read receipt in WhatsApp. Similarly, okay. Yeah. That's whole standard time summary. It will tell you that what time that fella has been posted, something like that. That is also a good idea. Okay. Now let me go to this media saving setting. Yeah, this will just tell you, like, if you select this, right, you can download that with the highest quality. That's it. Okay. Oof, let me come later. Before that, now let me go to this miscellaneous setting. This is a bit cool. Yeah. Show full count. What it does mean? Suppose if someone has a 1.1 follower, 1.1 million followers, right? It will tell you the exact number. It doesn't just say 1.1 m. Just let me show you the example. Let me go to someone's profile. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. First, let me select this. Okay. Come back. Okay. Come back. Yeah. Cover. Yes. Okay. Here just one. See. Now you see. Instead of 1.1 million, it's showing you 11. That complete figure. Okay. That's cool. No? Yeah. Now similarly, right? Okay. Let me go to. Okay. Let me remove as of now. Yeah. Now let me come to spoof. One of my favorite. This feature is the best. Okay, you can prank anyone, either girlfriend or something like. It will be very good. Yeah. First, let me go to spoof settings. Yeah. Go. Okay. Come to spoof settings. Okay. I have a 24 follower at first. Okay. Let me change it to some lakhs together. Okay. Okay. First, you need to enable follows there. Okay. Now give a count, how much ever you want. One. No, that will be very dramatic, right? Let me change it. 9669 something. Let me type. Okay. This is cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's follower count. Following count 0. I'm following nobody. Okay. That's just okay. Rank count. Okay. Now refresh. Oh, 96.6. Similarly, you can do with the post also. Mine is public now. No point in doing that because you get to know that someone has tweeted or something to apply. Okay. Okay. This is verified one. Already I have verified pad. Means I have selected here. If you unfollow that, this blue text will go here. Lone wolf here, right? Username. The blue tick mark will go off. That's it. Let me show you that. Okay. Spoof settings. I'm just untick. Click done. Okay. The first one. Boom. Is it good? Yeah. Guys, just follow my just follow my Instagram also. Before that, right, in YouTube, subscribe to it. I will give you the best content possible. See how productive it is, isn't it? You can share trolls, memes, everything to your friend. Okay, even the account is private or public. It's just like this is the best. Okay, this is the best application, and you won't be having any problem using this application. Trust me. I assure you that. Okay, so subscribe, like, comment, share as much as possible. Thank you guys. We'll see you in our next video.